Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Rio Umbrella is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who wants to stay dry and protected from the rain. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply enjoying a walk in the park, a reliable umbrella can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Rio Umbrella, exploring its features, and helping you decide if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. EEZ-Y Folding Golf Umbrella. This umbrella from EEZ-Y is designed to provide you with ultimate protection. It's built to withstand harsh weather conditions, keeping you dry and comfortable. The EEZ-Y umbrella features a robust design, making it incredibly durable. Its windproof construction ensures it won't easily flip inside out, even in strong gusts. This folding umbrella is incredibly easy to carry around. It's compact enough to fit in your golf bag or backpack, so you're always prepared. With its automatic open and close mechanism, this umbrella offers convenience. It can be deployed or stowed away with just the touch of a button. Whether you're on the golf course or just running errands, this umbrella is a great choice. It provides reliable protection from both rain and sun. What we like? This umbrella is built to last, with a focus on durability and ease of use. If you are looking for a reliable umbrella that can withstand various weather conditions, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value both functionality and longevity in their gear. What people say? It seems to be well made and sturdy. It has a windproof design, a waterproof slit in the canopy, which is essential to stay dry in the gusty storms that we experience in the Midwest. It folds down to under 2 feet with handle, which is good enough for easy carrying, stores in a car easily, and can be put on a shelf, etc. Number 4. LANBRELLA Compact Reverse Folding Travel Umbrella. This umbrella features an upgraded inverted folding design, making it shorter and easier to carry. It's convenient to store anywhere, perfect for travel and daily use. You can easily put it in your bag. The inside-out design keeps the wet part of the umbrella inside when closed, preventing water from dripping. This means you won't get wet when entering or exiting a car, and it won't wet your floors. This windproof umbrella is built to withstand strong winds, thanks to its 8 reinforced fiberglass ribs. The canopy is made of high-density 210T waterproof material. It offers great protection with its 46-inch arc. This reverse umbrella is lightweight and easy to carry. You can store it in your car, briefcase, backpack, or travel bag. It's ideal for travel, business, camping, fishing, and everyday use, suitable for both men and women. With just one push of a button, it automatically opens and closes. You don't have to wait to open it when you get out of your car in the rain, especially in heavy rainfall, even when your hands are full. It comes with a 100-day risk-free money-back warranty. If you're not satisfied, you can return it for a full refund. We are committed to providing excellent service. What we like? This umbrella's unique design prevents water from dripping, keeping you and your surroundings dry. If you are a frequent traveler or someone who values convenience, this umbrella is a perfect fit. Its auto-open-close feature makes it incredibly easy to use in any situation. What people say? The umbrella is lightweight and easy to carry. It's a great size for one person and provides good coverage. The automatic open and close feature is very convenient. Number 3. beachBUB All-in-One Beach Umbrella System. This is the beachBUB All-in-One Beach Umbrella System. It includes the Ultra Base, designed for safety and convenience. It's the perfect companion for your next beach trip. The ULTRA base is compliant with the ASTM F3681-24 Beach Umbrella Safety Standard. Engineers have determined that a safe umbrella needs 75 pounds of resistance. This base exceeds the standard by 160% when properly filled, ensuring it can withstand winds up to 30 miles per hour. As municipalities implement safety standards, this umbrella ensures you're prepared. You can enjoy your beach day with peace of mind, knowing this product meets and exceeds the required safety specifications. This product offers unmatched warranty coverage. It comes with a 3-year frame warranty and a lifetime warranty on the beachBUB Ultra Base. The company sets the standard for product durability and customer satisfaction. The beachBUB All-in-One Beach Umbrella System has been wind tested up to 44 miles per hour. It reduces the risk of flyaway umbrellas, making your beach vacation safer and more relaxing. This unique system offers an easy setup for any beach trip. This outdoor umbrella and base are assembled and inspected in North Carolina. The beachBUB base was invented in Naples, Florida. The product has evolved with input from beachgoers, ensuring it meets your needs. What we like. This beach umbrella system offers superior safety and peace of mind. If you are planning a beach vacation and prioritize safety and durability, this is the ideal choice. The robust base and wind-resistant design ensure that you can relax and enjoy your time at the beach without worry. What people say. beachBUB is very sturdy and super easy to set up. Very sturdy and made with high-quality materials. How easy it is to set up. Number 2. PHI Villa 7-foot beach umbrella with Fringe. This beach umbrella features a removable sand anchor. It allows you to easily secure it into sand or dirt, ensuring it stays put while you relax. Available in multiple colors, this 7-foot patio umbrella adds a pop of color to your day. Its charming tassel design not only protects you from UV rays but also makes it a perfect decoration. With its sturdy fiberglass ribs and durable steel pole, this beach umbrella is built to withstand high wind. The stylish brown powder coating adds a touch of elegance and ensures its stability. Enjoy the sun safely with this umbrella that features a high-quality polyester canopy. It provides UPF 50+ protection, shielding you from 99% of harmful UV rays. It adjusts easily to maximize coverage. Weighing only 6.6 pounds, this umbrella is designed for convenience. It comes in 2 easy-to-assemble parts and includes a carrying bag, making it lightweight and portable. Whether you're at the beach, having a picnic, or relaxing in your garden, this umbrella is the perfect companion. It's designed to enhance your outdoor experience. What we like. This umbrella combines style with practicality, offering excellent sun protection and easy setup. If you like a beach umbrella that is both fashionable and functional, this is the one for you. Its Fringe design and UPF 50+ protection make it perfect for a day at the beach. What people say. The design is super stylish and looks great on the beach. Setting it up is a breeze thanks to the built-in sand anchor. Just twist it into the ground and it stays put, even on breezy days. The canopy offers excellent sun protection too, with UPF 50+ that blocks out 99% of UV rays. Number 1. Tommy Bahama 2020 Blue Beach Umbrella. This umbrella features a frame crafted from durable stainless steel. It's built to last, providing strength and longevity for all your beach adventures. The canopy showcases a stylish blue print. It's designed to brighten your day and add a touch of elegance to your beach setup. The umbrella's round shape offers versatility. You can easily position it in any direction to maximize shade and comfort. Weighing only 1.5 pounds, this umbrella is incredibly easy to carry. It's designed for convenience, making it the perfect companion for your beach trips. This umbrella provides ample shade with its 6-inch diameter canopy. It's large enough to comfortably accommodate you and your friends, ensuring everyone stays cool and protected. What we like. This umbrella is designed for both style and portability. If you are looking for a lightweight and easy-to-carry umbrella with a vibrant design, consider this. It's perfect for those who want to add a touch of color and convenience to their beach experience. What people say. It withstood some wind, although it is not so sturdy as the heavy wooden ones, which is a great compromise since it is so lightweight to carry. The height lock works great. Its carry bag is great to unpack and pack again. I love the anchor. No need to carry another accessory, although I did in case this did not work, but I did not have the need to use it. It also has the opening on the top to allow heat and wind to escape. It truly does block out the sun and UV rays because my old umbrella showed faint patches of light but not this one. Also, I love the anchor screw at the bottom and the tilt feature. It has a built-in sand anchor that worked like a charm, nice sun coverage, and it was very sturdy the whole time. I love that the umbrella can bend in any position to adjust to the sun's placement throughout the day. It comes in a carrying bag, and that is a major plus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.